Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pickled ginger at home easy guide. Start by thinly slicing young ginger and salting it briefly to draw out moisture, then rinse and pat dry. Prepare a sweet vinegar brine with rice vinegar, sugar, and a pinch of salt, warm until dissolved. Pour hot brine over ginger, cool to room temperature, then chill for at least 24 hours before serving. Gather rice vinegar, granulated sugar, salt, young ginger, and optional beet for color. Measure ingredients precisely. Use a mandolin or sharp knife, a non-reactive saucepan, bowl, and a clean jar with tight lid. Sterilize jar before use. Use 1 cup rice vinegar, 1/3 cup sugar, 1 tsp salt, and about 8 oz thinly sliced ginger for balanced brine and consistent results. These simple items set you up for fast, reliable pickling that tastes great and stores well. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like, it helps me a lot. Quick recommendation: socks life's too short for cheap socks, go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, perfect for standing in the kitchen while you slice ginger. Check the description for the link and other deals I mentioned, and feel free to support the channel. I appreciate your support. Now let's get back to the video. Now I'll guide you through the pickling steps in a calm, easy way everyone can follow. Warm rice vinegar with sugar and salt until the sugar fully dissolves, then remove from heat and let cool slightly. Pack the ginger tightly into a sterilized jar. Pour the hot brine to cover, seal, cool to room temperature, then refrigerate at least 24 hours for ideal flavor. Taste after 24 hours and tweak sugar or vinegar next time to suit your preference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.